Get set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture, and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty.
Get the power and performance you need to meet your most rigorous professional demands. The SIMPSON PS4240 pressure washer is powered by a heavy-duty Honda GX390 engine with low oil shutdown feature. The AAA Industrial Triplex pump comes with an integrated adjustable unloader, delivering 4,200 psi at 4 GPM to handle your toughest commercial cleaning tasks. Professional-grade accessories include a 3/8-inch, 50-foot steel-braided monster hose with quick connect fittings and a polyurethane outer jacket that's UV and abrasion-resistant. The ergonomic spray gun comes with a 31-inch steel lance and 5 quick connect nozzles that swap easily to match any cleaning application. And it's all housed on a powder-coated welded steel frame with 13-inch premium pneumatic tires for durability and smooth transport across rough terrain. The SIMPSON PS4240 is backed by our premium warranty and is available now.
Tough outdoor cleaning projects require the Stanley 2-in-1 electric pressure washer. The unique modular design can be used from a wall mount, cart, or standalone, so you can carry it anywhere. Blast clean dirty surfaces with up to 2,050 psi. That's 40 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 2,050 psi power. Refresh cement, stone, and asphalt surfaces. You should choose this because it represents the quality you expect from Stanley. These are some of the best-in-class features. Spray down all your patio areas, including the patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Get yours online at select retailers today.